Hello, hello. This is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and you guessed it, it's SheModern Saturday. Today we are going to start into our Halloween season, so to speak, to our manis, and today we are going to be doing some spiders. Some hollow spiders, that is. I'm putting these on, I think, 2 nails. But first, let me show you what I've done. I have blackened out the nails with the sheer black pigment. And I'm going to show you how I've done that. I first have used base coat, cured that for 30 seconds. I'm going to be putting the glue gel on. I did put a top coat on them. So I'm going to be putting the glue gel on first, because it's good for the pigments. Ouch. And I'll cure that for 30 seconds. I'm using the stiletto nails today. And, I don't know, they seem to be my favorite lately for doing nail art. I don't know why, but they are. So we got that in the lamp. Off to the side, I have got my black pigment. I have got my spiders, and I'm going to saturate them with water now. Why am I missing a spider? Let's just... oh, we got them on top of each other, that's why. That's just beautiful. There. They're definitely saturated. They'll take 10-15 seconds. We are going to start on the nail and the pigment. I love doing these. I love the pigments. I know they're sheer black or sheer colors, but I just love them. They give great color. And I think they're just wonderful. SheModern's got a whole line of colors and glitters and pigments. Up here, you don't need to You don't need to wonder. You don't need to worry about so much because it's going to be up inside the nail. As long as the rest of the nail is covered. I'm going to move this off to the side, as well as the brush. I'm going to go over it with this brush first, and I'm going to put on some grip gel for the foils, and then I'll cure that. This does take some of the black out of it, and it turns it like a darker gray. So don't worry, don't fret, don't think you've done something wrong, because that's just what happens. So we got that in the lamp. That's curing for 30 seconds. When that comes out, I'm going to be putting the nail back on Flexi, Harley Marie. And we'll move on. I got my stamper from Beauty Big Bang. That's how I like to apply my decals. When I have cut them out, I have cut slits into them around the decals. It helps them adhere better to the nail because our nails are not flat. Alright, we have got our nail. I really should put this in, but I don't want to get a sticker. So, yeah, that's really sticky. You're going to want something that is lint-free to wipe off your decal once you do pick them up. Pick up, dab off. You're going to have the backing on them sometimes. Dab off on something lint-free so you have no extra water. Get your spiders in the direction you want them going. Whoops. And stamp on. Get your silicone tool and adjust them on the nail how you want them. Make sure you've got no air bubbles. I think the hollow on the black looks really cool. I'm going to try to insert. Beautiful. Now we can move on. Excuse me. Slide off the backing. Get your spider. Stamp on. I have them kind of diagonally. And here is our bigger spider. Where are we? There we go. Go over it so you make sure there are no water or air bubbles. Or lifting. So we're going to take this other spider and put it over here. Because I do, oh geez, oh geez. It's not sticking. Let me put some grip gel on this nail so that it does stick. I'm going to hurry and pop this in the lamp for 30. Actually, I'm going to do 15 and just give it a flash cure. Because I need my spider to stick. So I'm going to dab it back in the water just for a second. And we got Harley Marie back with us. Dab your stamper off again. And apply your spider. Beautiful, it worked. Go over it with your silicone tool. Make sure you get no air or water bubbles. Okay, now we are going to... What are we going to do? We should add some bling, shouldn't we? Some bling. So I'm going to pause and I'm going to pick some bling out and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. Sorry I was gone for so long. I know for you it was just a brief second, but it was a few minutes. While I was gone, I applied some grip gel to the thumbnail and I added these, I hope you can see them, some spider webs. I think they're cool. They match. They're not hollow like the spiders, but I think they're cool and they match. And then I add a top coat to all the nails. Now I'm going to add the bling I picked out. So yeah, here we go. This is the first of many manicures to come for Halloween. If you're not subscribed already, please do so. Make sure you click the bell so you get notified of all future videos. I upload 3 times a week. This week it might be 4 by the time this goes up. It's hard to say. hard to say. Oops. I need a bigger one. If you're new here, make sure you do subscribe, but please also leave me a comment so I know that you were here. Would you like to get to know new people? See what's going on in their neck of the woods? Me, myself, I am from southeastern Michigan. And I know there's a couple other ladies out here who are from the same area as me, which is really cool. Alright. We're going to add a few more of these around, the white, the clear, whichever you want to call them. Alright, here we go. Where'd it go? It fell off. That's so great. Fish just another one out. Gotta make our man look special. Gotta make it look special. Oops. Okay, here we go back to our orange. I'm gonna like rotate them. Got two on here at one time and some top coat as well. So I want this one. Wow, this one's going to be difficult now. Doesn't want to turn over for me. So I'm just going to swipe this one away. There's another. And that one didn't stick either. Okay, now back to the orange. You can do these however you want. You don't have to do them in the same order or anything that I'm doing. This is how I want to do it. Just how I want to do it. Oh lordy. Trying to get me another kind of bigger one, but they're all upside down. Here we go. Sorry if this is kind of long. Here we had Tech Savvy come sneaking in on us. That's alright. Good morning, Tech. He's not talking yet. It's still in the early hours of the morning. There we go, and we are going to pop this in a lamp for 60, and I am going to pause. Alrighty, we're back. I have top coated, put them in the lamp for 60 to cure for the last and final time. And here are my beautiful nails, my hollow spiders with some spider webbies. One spider web here as well too, but I hope you can see all. Hope you like. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And my hollow spiders. And my bling. Bling, bling, bling. So yeah, this is the first of many Halloweenish designs we'll be doing. I think there's going to be 4 or 5 in total. And yeah, so please subscribe. Thank you for coming and watching and viewing. Hope you gave me a full view. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And thank you and have a blessed day.